Dubai recently opened its popular Museum of the Future, a spectacular structure that is dubbed as the world's most beautiful building. The museum is a seven-story hollow silver ellipse decorated with Arabic calligraphy of quotes from Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al-Maktoum. Book your flight tickets to Dubai with Airpaz and see thousands of meters of LED lights located on the city's main highway, Sheikh Zayed Road. The museum exhibits design and technology innovations, taking the visitors on a journey to the year 2071.
Start traveling.